Hey guys, this is me once again. I decided to make a part 3 as well, where I'm going to show my code, actual code itself. Let me open my IntelliJ. Okay, here. Uh, yeah, let's start from the backend. First of all, I have source files in here. In this front end directory, I have all the front end files in the main and Java and student. I have a student model, which is a student class that will, uh, which is a blueprint basically, which will create the students. In student controller, we have a, HTTP request that will direct our HTTP requests like get mapping, post mapping, delete mapping, and so on. And student repository is a enum which will coordinate our my requests with JPA repository. And student service contains all the logic that I have. For instance, for adding student, I'm first of all checking if this student with the email already exists in my database. If it exists, then I'm throwing bad request with this error. If it doesn't exist, then I'm saving it to my database, and so on. This is here I have a exception handling. As I said, a bad request. This will create a bad request. And here in this front end folder, I have components, React components, app.js. I could actually refactor it. Let me pull it down for a while. Um, yeah, this is mostly end design stuff. You can check it out in their documentation. Main thing probably would be here I'm fetching students with this method, and I'm using use effect feature and use states of React, but basically will help you to control your state of your components and you know mm, a flow of your app. I would say use effect. And here I'm rendering students. All of them are end design stuff. You can go and check it out. This is it. Here I have a front end, uh, get all students methods. And here I should have uh, notifications. This is this creates this uh, awesome notifications as you have seen here. Um, so like this, you see, this created some error notification right now. Uh, like this. And if we go back to the IntelliJ, uh, I have a Maven in my POM XML. This Maven profiles plugin, sorry, will bundle both front end and back end into the target folder. First of all, it will create a front end build directory. Then it will bundle both front end and backend into the target folder, target directory. You see this static, this build static have been basically copied to this folder. And if I run this main class of my backend, which is demo, what was the name? Sorry, demo application, I think. Yeah, if you run it will run the jar file, both backend and front end. Then we have here elastic beanstalk, which contains all the data configuration for deployment to the AWS.